What's up, guys? So sorry if you hear a little buzzing noise in the background. That's just the heater. Anyways, it's cold out in the shop tonight. I've been working on a video for a couple weeks now, and really it came out super random. It's the video that you're about to watch. I'm sorry that the audio in it's kind of crappy. It's gonna sound muffled a lot, kind of like I'm talking underwater. Something happened to the microphone in my Hero 5, so I did get a new camera, probably the best camera I've ever had. So that's what I'm recording this on. So just know that, just bear with me this last video, and then all the footage after, or the next videos will be better. So yeah, like I said, the audio is gonna be super muffled. The quality may not be the best, just my GoPro's a little hurt. But that's no big deal. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. And like I said, sorry for the audio crap. So I'll see you guys later.
What's up, guys? So today we'll be making a boost leak tester, as well as doing some things to the car. I got some new intercooler pipe, and I got some new videos to make. The intercooler pipe is not going to be used in this video. It'll be used in about a week, and I'll be custom fabbing my own system, basically with some aluminum, hopefully. Yeah, so anyways, we're going to make a boost leak pressure tester with this guy, 3-inch coupler, just exhaust. This is steel that I'm doing this out of, and then you'll see on this. So I'll get it set up so you can watch what I do. Okay, guys, so I already drilled kind of a pilot hole. I have a 3-inch, 3 1/4 or 3 1/8, I think, hole saw here. So we're gonna cut that, put it on top of that thing, and we should be good to go. So. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna use my metal chop saw because my hole saw sucked, so I'm just gonna cut a square out around it, and that's gonna be good enough. So yeah. Okay, guys, so there's our piece. Now I just need to deburr it, and then we'll be able to weld all around that. And then one day, if I don't do it today, I'll just cut off the edges, but I may not do it today. I mean, the grinder I have is just like a cheap Harbor Freight one that was on sale, and I don't think I can grind away that much material, although I might break out the cutoff blade and just do it anyway. Okay, guys, so it's nice. It's it's not perfect, but it's Tig welded. Definitely got a couple dimes on there. Messed up right here, went a little too hot, accidentally forward the pedal. But that's it for right now. It's pretty airtight, at least it seems. So I forgot to fill in that hole. I need to fill in that hole. We're gonna put the thing for the air chuck right here. We're gonna put the air gauge right here. So that is planned. Okay, alrighty, guys. So sorry, the lighting is all weird. Got that guy. Well, they're drilled. I used a twist drill. It's thin metal, so it doesn't look perfectly circle. I don't have a red drill bits here, but it'll be alright. There we go. Anyways, filled in that hole. These guys are tapped. I'm going to put the gauge here and then the chuck for the air hose there. I will then use the regulator on my hose to basically stick this in the turbo inlet and watch the bubbles fly. Hopefully, I hope I have boost leaks. This thing's running all kinds of wacky at one point. The intake's basically off of it, so I mean, we're gonna have to mess with all that first. I was gonna wire tug it, but probably not gonna do that this video. Probably gonna do it whenever I get my new intercooler stuff. And there it is, guys. There's our boost tester. 3-inch, Tig welded. Got the fitting for the air hose over there. Got a gauge on there. I would recommend getting a lower reading gauge, because I mean, you're not going to boost test it through 200, 100, 160, 60 psi, whatever. So I would definitely advise getting a lower pressure gauge. The only thing I'm going to do now is go around with some like wire crimpers, make a bit of an edge. I might just weld one on. I might just stick it on. Not sure yet. So Anyways, guys, now I'm going to put the car back together so we can actually use this puppy. He'll be going probably right there in my intake. So that is now the plan. What's up, guys? So this episode we will be doing some intercooler piping on the 240. We're going to be converting it probably to 3-inch. If it doesn't work out, then I could go smaller. But the majority of my intercooler piping, at least on the cold side, already is 3-inch. So we'll probably be doing 3-inch over here, 3-inch on both sides. I'm going to use the universal kits, which means I'm going to have to cut and weld it myself. I'm not expecting to have it all done in one video. That's not going to really bother me. Mainly because some of the bins, there's a reason people don't do this. Some of the bins are just kind of weird, especially on the cold side. It's not really a 45 or a 90, which is pretty much all they give you. And I really don't want to have to pie cut if I don't have to. So basically, yeah, that's what we're going to start with. I'm going to at least try to get this lower section of the hot side done. And if I can get there, then I'll be pretty happy. So mainly just cut and TIG weld some aluminum and see how it turns out. That's the main goal. So we'll do it. And I'll try to record most of it. People may come over. If so, then I may not record. I'm not really sure. I'm supposed to be mocking up an intercooler on another S14, although I don't believe he's not boosted yet, but we're going to at least get the front mount mounted and figure out what we're going to do with his brackets, because he's using like a precision intercooler, so it's not really just like a bolt-on 240 intercooler. So that might happen, but I mean, like I said, he's not boosted yet, but he's going to boost his KA. If you hear those noises, it's just like super windy outside. Sorry I haven't uploaded in like a week. That's just been busy. Well, it's like 2 weeks. I recorded half of another video, but I don't think I finished it out yet. So nonetheless, we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and I might take the hood off, but for sure the bumper is coming off. But I'll probably just take the bumper off because I had the hood off in one of the videos. I don't know if I recorded that one or posted it yet. I think I might have. But yeah, so. Alrighty, what's up guys? So it's been a little while for a video, I know, and this video was kind of a random mix of things, so just excuse me if I continue to make it even more random. So tonight, we will be I'm just going to give you kind of a sneak peek of what I'm kind of working on the 240 on the side. We are working on like 3-inch intercooler piping all around, which is kind of large for my turbo. It's like it's the 7960 Tomei. But basically, I hate how the blow valve is mounted. I hate how a lot of things are on my intercooler kit, because when I originally swapped the car, I've probably explained this before, it was a cheaper kit, definitely. So, and if you're an Echo, forgive me, my hair, forgive me. It's just I work all day and then I decide to do things. So, anyways, the video was kind of random. I wasn't able to really finish the every video segment you've seen. I wasn't really able to finish. Save for that night, like, you know what I mean, like for this part. But anyways, there is still a lot of things to come. Sorry this video was so just unorganized, but I'm about to even do it even more. But I think we'll be TIG welding some aluminum, as well as, I'm not sure. So probably TIG welding aluminum and for the piping, and I'll try to show you guys some of that, hopefully if I can. So yeah. I think the only way to do it is to start. So I mean, I need to finish welding the bead around the intercooler pipe that I already have for this lower section here. So let's get to it, guys. Okay guys, so you're kind of officially in like a weld mode, which is going to be this green layout. It should kind of change. I don't know what will make it change. And obviously that won't. These sensors on these welding helmets work on infrared light, so hopefully it works, but if not, the infrared will not hurt my my camera even. So I don't know what this is going to look like to you. Still got to get kind of cleaned up before I start finishing this. I can show you what I'm going to do. Basically, what we're kind of doing, I'm a beginner at TIG welding, so don't judge. I mean, I did this. That looks really pretty. You can hardly see. But basically, see how I'm kind of going around it, putting a bead around it. Or actually, what we're going to be doing is putting a bead around this pipe, finish putting it around there so the coupler has something to grab. So that's the whole idea of what I'm going to do. So I'm probably going to get this cleaned up, and we will get going. So that should take us where we need to. So let me get cleaned up and we'll do that. Okay guys, so everything's pretty much prepped. Probably couldn't hear me behind that. Everything's pretty much prepped. I like to just start out by running a couple, beads, practice getting the filler in, maybe even get the inverter and the welder heated up. I mean, it is not a very expensive welder. Everything's pretty much prepped, so we should be good. That aluminum is very cold today, so what we're going to do, we're going to put an extra ground strap on there, ground clamp, lower the seat, crank the welder up. Like I said, it's pretty cold out, it's like 30 up. you for watching. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you so much for the like 87 subscribers that we're at now. We're so close to 100. I might have hurt my camera with all the welding, but if so, we'll just worry about it then. Just thank you for everything and everything you've done. You guys are awesome, and I really appreciate it. And I plan on taking this much further than where it's at right now. I'm just sorry everything was so unorganized. Things have been kind of crazy recently. So anyways, I guess I will see you guys next time. And yeah, just thanks, and please subscribe, like, whatever you want to do. And if I did something wrong, please tell me, let me know. And if you didn't like the video, you can dislike it. I mean, it's pretty simple. I'm just learning, and you know, don't try not to take anything too serious that I'm doing, but I mean, you know, that's the way you do it, is you learn. I'm not gonna, you know, either way, I'm not gonna go on about it. But thank you guys, and if you want to learn how to do anything, just push yourself to do it. If you want to review this welder or anything like that, I can do that for you. I mean, at least from a non-professional welder standpoint, I can do that from a beginner's TIG welder, you know what I mean? Your process on how to get the gas, your process on everything. The process of trying to weld aluminum, how clean you have to be, just everything. I mean, and just thank you guys so much. And I'm very blessed for what I have. So anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully soon there will be a driving video out, since you guys really never get to see the 240 run. It's always broken. So yeah, pretty soon that video will be out. What else do I have? I'm kind of like staying right here because there's a light back there, so I'm trying to block you guys from it. But that's pretty much it. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. So.